Buenas tardes, profesora. Soy el estudiante Jean-Pierre Jesús Riquelme Gómez y en esta ocasión le voy a presentar la actividad week 1, que es el tema How much do you remember? Bueno, comienzo con el manual. On my last vacation, I visited different beaches in Lima with my friends. The beach I liked the most was Waikiki in Miraflores because it was very relaxing and beautiful. We walked along the beach, took many photos, and ate delicious food near the sea. I also rode my bike on long routes around the city, and that activity was more fun than traveling by bus. This semester, I am going to take to a line class at the university. I am also going to organize my time better because I am going to continue riding my bike and participate in cycling competition in the future. Thank you very much.